viewers, welcome to your own channel somycrafty. I'm here with an elegant pair of earrings tutorial, pearl earrings. Today we are making with white pearls, very cute earrings. First of all, we have to pick 6 3mm white pearls. After tying double knot, we will start today's project. So we are tying double knot. These earrings are very unique with the hanging strings, beaded strings. Now we are adding silver seed beads 8/0 between white pearls 3mm, one by one we will add 6 seed bead 8/0 between 6 white pearls. In this way, first round will be completed. So we are adding in the same way we will complete it. After adding silver seed beads, now next step, we have picked 3 beads, 2 pearls with 1 seed bead 8/0, silver seed bead 8/0. We pass through previous silver seed bead and we added these 3 beads, 2 pearls with 1 seed bead 8/0. Now we pass through previous pearl and seed bead. Now again here we will add 2 pearls with 1 seed bead. In this way we will add each time 3. In this way 6 times we will add the same number, the same beads. Now a floral shape beaded part is ready. Now we will proceed to next step. We will take here next step. Next step is we are adding here each time 1 pearl bead, white pearl 3mm we have to add here between silver seed beads of previous round. We are adding white pearls. After adding white pearls, we will pull the thread to make a shape. We have pulled, this floral shape has come. Now again we will pass through all of 6 beads, white pearls. We have to pass the thread and now again pull the thread tightly. Now a floral shape beaded part is in my hands. You can look from both sides. This is the same. Now after making this part, floral shape part, we will proceed to next step. Here I pass through a seed bead, silver seed bead 8/0. Now here we picked 2 silver seed bead 15/0. We are using in this project 15/0 seed beads in silver color. Now we have to pick 2 silver seed beads, 1 stitchable stone which have 4 holes on its back, silver stone 3 mm, and then 2 seed bead. Again, total 4 seed bead and 1 stone. In center of these seed beads, we are adding it in center of our floral shape beaded part. We are fixing it in center. We came out from one seed bead and we enter to the opposite sides seed bead, and in this way we attach it, we fix it, and now again we have picked 2 seed beads, 15 2 seed bead again we picked, and now we pass through the holes of the other direction of stones holes we pass through, and then after passing here we added 2 more seed beads, 15 and we pass through silver seed bead 8 of previous round. Now next step, here we have to string some beads, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 seed bead and 1 pearl. Total 3 pearls and 4 seed bead silver, and at the end of this string we picked 1 crystal bead 4 mm silver with 1 seed bead 15. On the end of this string there is 1 15 seed bead. We skipped it and we are going back through, passing through silver 4 mm, silver bead 4 mm, and then the other beads we stringed in this round. First beaded string is ready. You can see first hanging string is ready. We added it passing through 1 pearl 3 mm, and now we go to the same bead again to fix it. Now we move to the next pearl 3 mm. Here again we will add the same number, the same beads, make a string, skipping seed bead 15. We will pass through the all beads of this string, and in this way the same bead we will go back to the same bead. And now next third bead we will do the same process, and in the same way we will do with the fourth next pearl. Total 4 strings we have to attach here with our floral part, beaded part. In this way you can see we added 4 strings, hanging strings, beaded strings, and now we have to attach here earring wire. We are attaching it, we are fixing it with 1 pearl, 1 seed bead, earring wire, 1 seed bead 8 and 1 pearl 3 mm. Total 4 beads we picked with earring wire, and now we have attached it passing through 1 centered silver seed bead 8 of the previous round. Now we have to reinforce here. Again we will pass through all these beads to make it secure, and you can see how easily we have made an elegant pair of earrings with pearls and crystal beads, silver crystal beads and white pearls. Very elegant and very different project, stringing hanging strings of beads with floral shape beaded part. Very elegant earrings are ready. Now we have to make some finishing knots and we will complete the process of earrings making. On its back we have to make some knots. I made these earrings with polyester thread, cotton thread, which is normally used for stitching, very easily available, and soft thread. Our project's demand was to use soft thread because these beaded strings can easily we maintain it with cotton or polyester thread. So now our earrings are ready. Very elegant look. Here are some pics and videos of today's project. Enjoy it, watch it, and don't forget to subscribe your own channel, somycrafty. I hope you guys like today's project. Very easy project and very little material we needed for this elegant earrings. So you can easily arrange it, you can easily make it. Don't forget your channels, subscribe. I hope you would like these videos, which I especially make for my viewers, for my lovely viewers. So thanks for watching, sharing and likes. So I will say bye now. Take care of yourself and your family. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.